Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the headphones and listening environment. Update firmware, open the Beats app, and connect via Bluetooth or USB-C. Once done, choose a flat preset and turn off any sound enhancements so you have an honest baseline. Start a neutral reference track and set volume to a repeatable level. This prevents ear fatigue and keeps decisions consistent. From here, you'll make small, deliberate EQ moves. Don't boost wildly. Adjust a band, listen, then move on. Now you tackle the middle of the spectrum where character lives. First, check muddiness by sweeping 200 to 800 Hz and make modest cuts of 1 to 3 dB until clarity improves. For bass, decide if you want punch or warmth. A slight boost at 60 to 120 Hz adds impact. Cut below 40 Hz to remove rumble. Once mid-bass is controlled, lift 2 to 4 kHz by a couple of dB to bring vocals forward. Finish by shaping the high end for air and detail. A light boost from 8 to 12 kHz adds sparkle, but make sure you don't introduce sibilance or harshness above 10 kHz. Once satisfied, a /B test against the flat preset on several reference tracks and at different volumes, then save your custom preset in the app. If you encounter distortion, clipping, or Bluetooth dropouts, reset the EQ, reduce overall gain, and repair. That usually resolves artifacts without undoing your tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.